In the world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin ETFs are making headlines. These unique financial instruments are essentially a bridge, linking the traditional stock market with the bustling crypto economy. They allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without the need to directly own the digital asset. This fusion of mainstream finance with the volatile world of cryptocurrencies can offer significant benefits, including increased liquidity, broader market access, and enhanced regulatory oversight. But why is everyone talking about Bitcoin ETFs? Let's dive deeper. One of the big players in the game, ARK Invest, led by Cathie Wood, has recently made significant moves in the Bitcoin ETF landscape. Let's dive into what's happening. ARK Invest has filed an amendment to its spot Bitcoin ETF filing, and the changes are pretty significant. The first key change is improvements for investor protection. They're taking steps to ensure that investors aren't left out in the cold, which is always a good sign. But that's not all. They've also introduced a unique fee structure. They'll be charging an 80 basis point fee, making ARKB the first issuer to disclose such a fee. This transparency is a welcome move in an often opaque market. And lastly, they've updated their risk disclosures. This shows they're not shying away from the reality that, like any investment, there's risk involved. The ETF will be named ARK 21 Shares Bitcoin ETF and will trade on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. With these changes, ARK Invest is showing they're serious about making their mark in the Bitcoin ETF arena. This move by ARK Invest is seen as a positive sign towards the SEC clearance process. So, what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin ETFs? Well, these developments and amendments to the ETF filings are significant. They highlight a growing sophistication within the crypto market and a push for increased investor protection. As the first issuer to disclose a fee structure, ARK Invest is setting a new standard. This transparency could be a game changer, encouraging more investors to venture into the Bitcoin ETF space. But let's not forget, the SEC's decision lies on the horizon. With the deadline extended to January 11, 2024, we're all on the edge of our seats. The outcome could either propel Bitcoin ETFs into a new era or slow down the pace of their growth. Franklin Templeton and Global X, two firms that are yet to amend their S-1 filings for spot Bitcoin ETFs, are also worth keeping an eye on. Their next moves could be insightful. As we wait for the SEC's decision, it's clear that the world of Bitcoin ETFs is evolving rapidly. The future is promising indeed. The world of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin ETFs is a thrilling space to watch. We've covered some exciting developments today, like ARK Invest's latest amendment to their Bitcoin ETF filing. The improvements they're making for investor protection, as well as the introduction of a fee structure, are indeed game changers. It's critical to keep an eye on these advancements as they can impact the crypto market significantly. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.